All right, so today I'm going to go over how to add, how to convert SkySA animation to MCO, and also how to scarify MCO animation so that NPCs can use these these movesets from MCO, and also lastly, how to add position annotation to uh, MCO animation. All right, so MCO, Modern Combat Overhaul setup. Just go to the MCO website and download the MCO version. For me, version 1.6.0.3 works the best, but your mileage may vary. So try out the newest. You can try out the newest version, or you can try out my version. Um, so for that, you can go to the archives, and it will let you know what past versions. Okay. And how to and the conversion tool to SkySA to MCO movesets. Let's see here. This star has a pretty good video about it. So go to the MCO website and scroll down towards the bottom and read the directions, watch the video, and yeah. All right. So Scar, as I said before, it's allows you to have NPCs use MCO movesets. And there's a patcher for it, so be sure to get the patcher, download it, and extract it, install it. Okay. Read all the requirements for SCAR and install those. And we're gonna have use position, which is have melee collision be more accurate. So read it, get the requirements for it, and download the file. Lastly, we're gonna get the hkxPoser, which allows you to edit simple to edit animation files. HKX animation file. We're gonna use it for a different purpose this video, but that's what it's mainly used for, to edit video animation. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so this is on the right-hand side is my animation folder where I not animation, sorry, my download mods folder. I download like all the mods in here. Um, so I'm gonna use the Unarmed Street Fighter folder animation file to convert. It's a SkySA animation file, SkySA animation moveset. So let's change that to an MCO. All right, so it has a bunch of folders. I know that this folder, the 55, it contained all the move sets, so it's the most complete one. The other ones are conditional, like have a certain skill level and all that stuff. So this one is the more complete one. Copy that, drag it over to this. So yeah, so let's delete this for hold on a second. Okay. Um, so if you set up your SkySA to MCO converter correctly with all the requirements, it will look something like this. Okay, okay, maybe not this one, this one. So it will look something like this. Okay, so yeah, I'm added a few extra things, but it should look something like this. This over. All right, so all these are SkySA files, animation files, right? So we want to convert it to MCO type. So let's click on the converter. So the speed multiplier is recommended to be 1, so 1 to 1 speed. Um, once you see it in game, you may want to slow it down or speed it up. That's it's up to your preference. So I'm going to use 1. Okay. All right, it's gonna do all that. There's a warning, but ignore that warning. Couldn't load the DLL warning. Ignore that. Not important right now. So we got all of these, right? Got all of these animation files. So we want to convert all of these into all these MCO animation files into um, well, not convert, have them into scar annotation so that scar so that NPCs can use them. I'm gonna put all these into folder actually. Okay, 9001. All right. Okay, put all this into this. Okay, I'm gonna show you why I did that. Okay, so let's go here. So convert to scar. All right, so let's go to scar. So this is the scar converter. If you install it and extract it correctly, it will look something like this. Okay, let's go here. Select the HKNO64 folder. So this is the folder right here. All right, and then where the move sets are, right? Oops, sets were in here. All right, so SkySA to MCO folder. So let's select that folder also. All right, let's not let you. Okay. For some reason, it only allows you to pick a number folder. Okay, so you gotta do that. Let's cancel first. So let's drag all these animation files into that one. Okay. Now we have all these uh, MCO MCO moveset files into the 9001 folder. Now we can go back to the tool and select that folder instead. Okay, and now it would let you do that. Okay, just runs the program, runs the patcher. It take a few moments. Actually, let's close this time. All right. All right, it's complete. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, see what's in there. Okay, so let's create a scar file. So all these are now scar patch, so that if you put this into the dar folder, a number dar folder, NP with the right conditions, NPCs would be able to use this animation set. Okay. Um, okay. So let's see what it looks like. Not quite in game yet. Let's see what it looks like. So that's where this comes in. The hkxPoser comes in. It allows you to view animation file, edit in them. We are not going to edit the animation file. We're just going to view it. Okay. All right. So let's do that. See which one is interesting. Let's see. Take a look at 3. Okay. Looks like a punch. Okay. Let's click that. We're gonna go it frame by frame. So okay. It's a punch. Left. No, no, no. I'm sorry. Right. Left. So quick. 1, 2. Right. Left. Right. Left. And then back. Okay. Right. Left. And then back. Okay. Let's go. Very beginning. All right. So that does look like. So basic, right? Okay. Basic punch. 1, 2 punch. Oh, why did I close it? Okay, let's go back again. Okay, so let's go to the fourth one. Okay. Okay, so the fourth one, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's a knee kick. All right, so that's interesting. So let's use that for regular attack. Okay. All right, so let's use this for regular attack. So 4, up that that one so that NPCs can use it. Okay, to my MO folder. All right, so let's see here. All right, I set it up for certain numbers. but should be pretty straightforward, right? Um, this is a pretty high DAR number under custom conditions, so that I make sure that this animation gets played, this moveset gets played. So paste it. All right, so let's create some conditions, okay? Text document underscore conditions. Let's have it that you can only use your fists if you're, using this animation. So let's see, is equip right type 0 and also left. Is equip left type 0 and let's see what else. Let's limit it to hand-to-hand only. No, that's limited to hand-to-hand level, skill level of 20 and above. Okay. Is active value less than, meaning, not less than. Okay. 14, 20. Okay, 14 is actually lock picking, but I'm using Simon Rim sort of setup. So hand-to-hand or that setup is the hand-to-hand perk tree uses lockpicking active value. So that's why I'm using 14. You're confused about that. All right, let's save it. So we have three conditions. Both hands have to be empty, or this and your hand-to-hand combat or your hand-to-hand perk tree level, or skill level has to be 20 or over. Okay, three conditions. So let's close it out. What's this? Let's refresh the data to make sure that that's link in. Okay. Oh, one more thing. Let's rename this as the first attack instead of the fourth attack, so that it's it gets activated. Make sure it gets activated. All right. So this is close. Okay. So refresh this. All right. Attack one. Good. Refresh. All right. Let's play. See how it looks in game, right? So the knee kick early. All right, so MCO DL disable, blah blah blah. Okay, but we continue. It's a minor issue. If you read on the MCO webpage, it says that it would work for, you know, it's basically 99% works with the anniversary, so Skyrim version um, 1.6.629 and above, so 99%. So in my game, it seems to be working okay. There's nothing wrong or thing with that's of that sort. So, yeah. But of course, recommended version that works, I guess, best would be any uh, 1.5.97 or that or the 1.6.629. All right, so let's see how it looks in game. Okay, okay. See how collision looks like. All right. So, okay, why is it not doing the knee kick, right? So let's see what's my hand-to-hand with this. Hand-to-hand level 15. All right, so that's why. So let's increase that. Remember, it's lockpicking. 22, 21. All right, let's do that. Let's see. Sure, that's right. Okay, hand-to-hand 21. There we go. Oh, hmm. You see that? The collision looks a bit wonky, right? It originates from the hip instead of, it's not at the knee. It does not end at the knee. It's weird, right? Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have an end, gonna have a NC NPC spawn an NPC to attack me. Okay, 1828. All right, here we go. Bandit Marauder.
Time
Okay.
to end this little game.
All right, so the punch works. The punch connects. Nice. All right, that's fine. To do the knee kick. Yep. All right. See the knee kick. See that it's weird, right? Collision capsule. Um, the weapon capsule is weird. Yeah, it doesn't quite. All right.
I love a challenge. Yeah.
Problem, right? It hits, but you know it's weird. See that, right? Not quite there.
Victory or Sovngarde!
Yeah, it's not quite. It does not align with the knee. It's just like starts from the hip. See? All right, so that's a problem.
You call yourself a warrior? Who taught you to fight? I'll have your head on.
Let's quit. Out of here. All right, so let's go to that animation file and let's change a few things. Change the annotation and actually add some precision annotation so that it has accurate collision. Okay, so let's do that. All right, let's go here, copy it. Okay, back here. All right, so let's look at the file information about it. All right, so it has 30 frames, right? 30 frames. And its duration of the animation is about a little bit under 1 second. All right, so that's important to know, right? 30 frames by, all right, let's do some math here. 30, 30. So about 0.03 per frame. Okay. So that's, that's what we know. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go to the poser. So, okay, let's go. It's this animation right here. It's up. Okay, this is the kicking one. Okay, let's count. Let's count. When it starts and when it ends. So that's good. So we have an accurate collision data. There's 30. It starts at 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it'll start at 7 or 8. Or 8, 7, 8, 7. All right, let's try it. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try 8. Oops. Ah, yeah, I do. So times 8. So 0.25 around there. I'm rounding it down. Just, So let's go here. Let's do now annotation, okay? I'm gonna go this. So for precision annotation, starts 0.0000, collision, attack, start. All right, 00. Nope, sorry, 25, 1, 2, 1, 2, collision, add, node, PC, right. It's the right leg, so right upper leg, so right thigh. Um, RTHG, thigh. Okay, nothing special. So if you want to do something like, have the capsule, the hit capsule, be 3 times as large or something, you can do scale 3, something like that. You can have it the knee kick does 3 times the damage or 4 times the damage. Let's say damage mult, no, 5 times. So a knee kick that's connected, a connected knee kick would do 5 times the normal hand-to-hand damage. But we're just gonna leave it blank for now. All right, so the next part is when does it animation ends, right? So let's determine that. So let's start at the beginning. Got to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 18. Okay, let's do 19. Um, 18. Let's do 18. All right. So let's go to our trusty calculator again. So a whole bunch of twos, right? Yeah. Times this. That's right. 18. 58. Okay. Let's round up 58. 0.58. Okay. So do 0.58. Oh, 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 oh. Collision. Remove node. PC. R. Thigh. G. All right. So basically, what it's mean is we're gonna add a collision now node starting at 0.25 second, um, and we're gonna remove it at 0.58. So basically, that's the duration of when the knee was raised up, right? When we were doing the kick. So that's the duration of it. So we're gonna add one here, add a node, collision node here. Then we're gonna remove it when it's no longer needed. Okay, there we go. All right, let's close this out. And then we gotta indicate that this thing is gonna end. The whole attack is gonna end. Gonna end at 60000. Collision. Collision attack end. Yeah, my timing is a little bit tight, but you can mess around with it. Get it just right for your setup, whatever you want to use it for. All right, so okay, let's make sure everything's looking okay. This looks fine. Save it. This. So, so let's update this so that it now contains the new annotation data, precision annotation data. Drag it here, update. All right, just to make sure, let's delete this. Let's see it's updated. Yep, okay, looks good. All right, now let's test it in game. Okay, let's drag this over. place it. Yep. Okay, it's fine. What's this? What's this? Refresh it. So, all right, now let's try it in game. Okay. Okay, just this again. Oh, yeah. So, DAR was recently updated to works with the latest version of Skyrim, and Ore is on the horizon. So it's good news. Good news all around. Yeah, I think the MCO development is being halted at the, because Ore is still being worked on. Yes, they will resume working on MCO once Ore is released. Let's see, let's load this up. Okay. All right, so let's okay. 22. All right. There, set AD. What else? Oh yeah. It's right, 3,000. Let's spawn the. Oh, actually, no. Let's test it out first. Okay. Oh, you see that? Connected to the thigh. Very nice. Before it was all over the place, right? It starts from the rear hip and it just go up, you know, the strange angle. Now it's connected to the thigh, right? Right there. Good. See? All right. So let's spawn an enemy. Um, FE1B9 282 28. No, 828. Go.
Now ain't this a
Oh, there we go.
surprise?
See it? See it? Come on, kick me. Kick me. No, don't punch. Kick, buddy. There we go. See?
I'm gonna
So
wear that
it
tail as
does
a
not
belt.
hit. It does not hit, right? It's very accurate collision. Release for the knee kick. Yep. Nowhere close. Come on, get closer. All right, I'll get closer for you. Okay? Here. There we go. It connect. All right, good. Okay. Kick me. Come on. Come on. There we go. That's very close. So there we go. Oh, get
I'll
closer.
carve you
Can't
into
leave me,
pieces.
like, out of range. Come on, get closer. There we go. Do it. Get closer. Do it. My turn it. Oh. Ow. Come on, knee me. Oh, get closer. Oh, nowhere close. Come on, get closer.
I'll
it.
mount your head on my wall.
Get closer. Ah. There we go. All right, so it's working. The collision is correct. Everything's good. All right. Now you gotta die, buddy.
I'll carve you into pieces. I'll kill you. You're a fool to
Weapons
test me.
collision are supported out of the box for precision.
Just
So
die already, bastard! Victory or Sovngarde! I love a challenge. Victory is yours. I submit.
All right. Well, I hope that has been helpful. All right. That's it.